Hey, you. We fixing more stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Alright. What we're going to do here, we're going to check the cabin air filter. Because right now, when starting the car, and then you turn the AC on, the motor's blowing like crazy. You can feel cold air coming out, but it's not blowing hard. So I'm thinking that it's probably the cabin air filter is just clogged up. That's why it's not pushing air the way it should. Because we do have heat and we do have AC. So first thing we're going to do, open the glove box here. And then we're going to pop out these two little tabs. They come out just a little bit. Just like that. Same thing on the other side. Push it forward. And then this should come right out. Yep, there we go. And right in there, that's where the cabin air filter is. So we're going to check that out. Turn the car off. So, alright, in order to open that, looks like we got to take these off here. So, it's going to be, and then that should slide down. Yep. And then got 1, 2. Is it connected? No. Like just those two up there. When it comes out like that. Now, see, now we got full access. So, push. I think that's to secure it. Yeah, you gotta pop these off. Gotta come that way. Oh, geez, look at that. Yep. And that would be why wow, that's crazy. See, living in the country, you get mice, and they get in everything. And that is definitely a reason why it's not blowing cold air out the way it should be. Wow. I'm actually gonna drive down to my barn so I can get the shop vac, and we'll vacuum this out. Hey, what you doing now? I'm checking out the blower in here, the cabin filter. It looks like it's clogged with mice and everything. Yeah? What kind of mice? What do you mean, what kind of mice? Regular mice. What, you want to help me? Yeah? No? Alright. Well, I gotta get it done, Obo. What are you doing back there? Alright. Alright, so we got the shop vac. Wow. Wow. Yep. I'd definitely say I think that filter was clogged. That would be why it's not blowing any air. So, if you live in the country, or you're having the same issues like I had, as far as the heat and AC works, but it's barely blowing out anything, check your cabin filter, because that's crazy. That is crazy. All right, so what do you got there, Major?
Yeah.
We got the cabin air filter?
Yeah.
Yep. There's the part number for it. And we got this at Advanced Auto, which we just left, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Want to take it out and see what it looks like?
Yeah.
All right. Take it out of there. Yep. Okay, thank you. Yep, pull that right out. All right. So that's the new one. There's the old one. Yeah, I'd say I think we're gonna solve our issue here. And now with these ones, you'll see that it says airflow, and then it has the arrow going down, and that's the way that you want to install them. So, hey piggy. What you're gonna do, just like you took the other one out, you're gonna slide that new one in there, just like that. And then you want to go ahead and put your cover back on. And there, you can see the two little, or actually there's three of them there. They slide up in there like that. And then that's when you want to push down one side, push down the other side. Now it's secured. Now it's back on there. Now all we do, just put everything back together. So these tabs in the back, they slide in the back there, just like that. And then these go back up in there like that. You got one screw on each side.
My ball back there.
And then one on this side. And you want to put your latch back in, and you can see it slides right up in there like that. And you just want to line up the holes. And then you want to put this back in, and you'll see the tab here, and then there's the opening right here, so that's gonna go in there, and you just line it up, and then you're just gonna push these tabs back in on each side. Lift them up. And that's in there now. There we go. Now that's all back together. So, time for the real test. Right, bud?
Yeah.
Okay. Real test is to see if this solved our problem. All right. We're gonna put it on AC, and oh yeah, I can feel it blowing out. You can hear it too. Perfect. Oh, there you go. If you have an issue like I did, yeah, that's what you got to do. Check your cabin air filter, make sure that there wasn't mice in there, and yeah, change it out. Even if there wasn't mice in there, it could just be clogged up from a bunch of junk over the years. But man, what a difference. All right. So, say goodbye, Mage. Bye.
Bye.
All right. We'll see you later. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.